Welcome to Tikaliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix DNS Probe Finish no internet error on Chrome. So at first, what you have to do is just go to your search bar and search for CMD and run this as administrator. Click on yes. Then just go to the video description below, and in the description, you'll find these commands. Now, you have to paste them one by one in your terminal or CMD. So just choose the first one and paste it in here. Click on enter. Now, after the first one is done, you need to put the second one. And then hit enter. Then the third one. This will basically reset your network drivers. Then the fourth one. Just copy the fourth one and paste it here. After that, what you need to do is paste the fifth one here. Then paste the sixth one. This will reset your network socket and everything. And that's it. Pretty much that's everything you need to do. And after that, you need to restart your computer. And after restarting your computer, what you need to do is just click on your start button. Just right click on it, then just go to device manager. From device manager, just expand this window. Then just go to network adapters. From network adapters, you need to go to Realtek PCIe GBE family controller or whatever LAN or WLAN drivers you're using. Just go to the LAN driver and right click on it and click on update driver. Then just select search automatically for drivers. And if it comes with the best drivers already installed for you, just close this. Right click on it again. Click on update driver once again. Click on browse my computer for drivers. Click on next. Now if it comes back with a list, try all the available drivers in your list and check which one fixes your problem. And if it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, just close this. Then just close this as well. Then you need to head to Chrome. Inside Chrome, go to the three dot icon. From here, just go to settings. From settings, in the search bar, you need to type reset. Then just scroll all the way down. And inside reset settings, you'll find reset settings to the original defaults. Just go inside this. And then just click on reset settings. This will basically reset Chrome for you. And after that, just go ahead and restart your PC. And after that, everything should be fine. And basically that is how to fix DNS Probe Finish no internet error on Chrome. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.